Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a huge haul from Shein, whatever you call it. I have a lot of jewelry and a few products which I purchased and collected. So I wanted to do a haul. So before starting, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And please follow me on Instagram and like and share my video, and also if you want you can comment whatever kind of makeup videos you want to see. So without wasting time, let's just start the video. First of all, I will do the clothing stuff. I have only two tops. I don't know whether you can see. This is the top. It has full sleeves. Animal print, snake print, leopard print, tiger print, everything is really in now, so I purchased this one. I'll also put a picture this side or this side, whichever side, to see if you want to see how it looks. Then I purchased this one. It is same, but only the print is different. This is in the snake print. It has the same neck and it has full sleeves, and it is a body fitting top. It is a hosiery material. It is not that great material, but I just got it for 22 dirhams, I think. So if you want, you can check it out. I will leave the link in the description. Then I purchased this bowl set. This was, I guess, for 5 dirhams. It has 2 bowls, so I just purchased for doing my face packs or anything like that. And it also has a brush. Then I purchased some makeup brushes. I don't know the quality of it, but it was only for 8 dirhams, so I purchased it. I purchased 2 sets. So I purchased 2 brush sets. It was only for 8 dirhams and it was really cheap. So this is the first one. It has 4 brushes. It has really nice blending brush. It is really soft. The handle is really cheap, but the bristles and the brush is really soft, so we'll see if this works out. So I purchased 2 of that. Then I purchased this set. I know what brand dupe this is. The packaging and everything is really similar, and that also comes also in the pack of 4, and this is the second one. This was also for 8 dirhams, so I purchased 2 of that. Brushes are really, I mean, they're expensive, so I purchased these cheap ones because I need a lot of brushes to do eye makeup. So this will be handy. And if you want the actual makeup brush, I will link the detail. It is for around 110 dirhams. You can purchase it from, I think, namshi.com or nisnash.com. I don't exactly remember what brand. Just let me see. You see, this is the makeup brush set, and the same one, it is in the marble effect. I can't find it now. So after that, I have few jewelry. First, I purchased this hand mirror. I thought it was a big mirror. I mean, big, which I could hold in my hand, and it was quite big, but when it came, it was so small. Then I purchased few jewelry stuff. This is the first hoop. really nice marble effect. This was also for I think 8 to 10 dirhams, and they had a variety of colors. I purchased this one. Then I purchased one more marble kinda. This is not exactly hoop, but it is a dangle earring. This is the packaging. This is the packaging. This is the earring. Nice cream blackish color. It is cheap, but it's okay for photographs or anything like that. This is really nice. This is also for around 8 to 11 dirhams. Then I really love this. This is the other one. I've already used this one. This doesn't feel cheap. This was for around 10 to 20 dirhams, but this is really nice quality and doesn't feel cheap, and it is heavy, but when you wear it, it doesn't feel so heavy. And this was really pretty. This is in the golden shade. I wish they were in silver shade as well. Then I purchased these hoops. This is how it looks. It has really nice diamonds and green emerald color diamonds as well. This is quite nice if you wear it. This was also for around 10 to 11 dirhams. Then I purchased these tassel earrings. They had a lot of colors, but I wanted something which I didn't have. Green color with golden. Then I have one more tassel earring. This was really nice, but it has nice bright yellow color tassel. I purchased a lot of golden jewelry. I mean, any color thing with golden, because I like more of golden, and golden goes with a lot of clothing item rather than just the silver one. So I purchased more earrings and jewelry which are of gold kind of, not actual gold, but gold, imitation jewelry. This is not even imitation. Then I purchased this earring. Both the pairs are different. One is like this, and the second one is kind of like this. So it's really nice. So I think I had more stuffs. I'm really not sure. So this is all what I purchased from Shein. You can check out the website. They have a lot of items, and it is really cheap, but I don't buy a lot of clothing items because I don't really understand the size. What size I wear, it is 2 size smaller for me if I purchase from that website. So it is really confusing, and the return system, I don't like all that. So if you want to purchase the clothes, please just see the size chart and see what exact size you will be, and just see the size chart before purchasing any clothes if you want to. So guys, that's all for the Shein haul. Please guys, like and comment what if you like the video, and also share my video, and until next time, bye bye guys.